Today, I'll walk you through how to reconcile accounts in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to match your transactions so you can keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. After signing into Xero, you'll want to focus on the Business Bank Account section on your dashboard. Think of this as your financial control center where you can see the pulse of your business's cash flow. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same. Next, compare the statement balance with the balance recorded in Xero. This is like balancing a checkbook, ensuring that what you see in Xero matches what's in your bank. If there are transactions waiting to be matched, you'll see an option to click Reconcile. This is your cue to start the reconciliation process. Now, review the suggested transaction and verify the details. It's like double-checking a receipt before you leave the store, making sure everything adds up. If the information is correct, go ahead and reconcile the transaction. This step is crucial as it confirms the transaction in Xero. Once you've matched the transaction, Xero will automatically update the account. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. This automation is one of the benefits of using Xero, as it saves you time and reduces the chance of errors. You can continue reconciling additional transactions as needed. Think of it as tidying up your financial records, ensuring everything is in its rightful place. And that's how you reconcile accounts in Xero. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.